ODK 66 L-shaped gaming desk is designed to optimize both style and functionality for gamers, professionals, and students. With its unique features like LED lighting, power outlets, and USB ports, this desk caters to tech-savvy individuals who value a seamless gaming or work environment. Key features: 1. Spacious design. L-shaped layout offers ample surface area for dual monitors, gaming consoles, or work essentials. 66-inch length accommodates your gaming setup, office equipment, or creative projects with ease. Reversible configuration adjust the orientation to suit your room layout or preference. 2. Integrated power solutions. Power outlet convenient access to plug in your devices without needing extra adapters. USB ports built-in ports for charging your phone, headphones, or other USB-compatible devices. 3. LED lighting for immersive gaming. Customizable LED lights enhance your gaming atmosphere with vibrant RGB lighting. Mood setting choose colors that match your game or workflow for an engaging experience. 4. Storage and organization. Monitor stand keeps your screen at eye level, reducing neck strain and improving posture. Storage shelves perfect for organizing books, games, or decor items, keeping your workspace tidy. 5. Durable and stylish construction. High-quality materials, the sturdy frame and engineered wood surface ensure durability and stability. Vintage finish adds a touch of elegance and blends with both modern and rustic decor styles. 6. Versatile usage. Multi-purpose desk, ideal for gaming, work, studying, or creative projects. Home office friendly, the ergonomic design and added storage make it a great choice for remote work setups. Why choose the ODK 66 L-shaped desk? 1. Optimized for gamers, LED lights, ample space, and monitor stand elevate the gaming experience. 2. Efficient workstation, built-in power outlets and storage keep your setup clutter-free and functional. 3. Durable and stylish, a mix of aesthetic appeal and robust build quality ensures longevity. 4. Customizable layout, adaptable design suits any room configuration. Dimensions and specifications. Desk dimensions, 66 length x 47 width x 29 height. Monitor stand height, adjustable for optimal viewing. Storage shelves, multiple levels for easy access and organization. Material, engineered wood with a metal frame for durability. Perfect for gamers who want a personalized setup with RGB lighting. Professionals needing an organized and ergonomic workspace. Students requiring a multifunctional desk for study and leisure. Home offices looking for a stylish and practical desk solution. Final thoughts? The ODK 66 L-shaped gaming desk combines functionality with style, making it an excellent choice for anyone who spends significant time at their desk. With features like integrated power, LED lighting, and ample workspace, it's built to meet the needs of modern lifestyles. Upgrade your setup today and experience the perfect blend of comfort and efficiency.